family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. You know what time it is? 5 off of 25 Saturday at the Dollar General store. Yes, I'm out here in my car in the Dollar General. I'm sorry, y'all might hear the air blowing. Y'all, it's hot out here. And, you know, a sister's not going to sit in the car while ain't no air on. I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. I'm sorry. But went into Dollar General. And, you know, got to bring you all a nice little deal, you know. And I had put this deal together because I was thinking about it. And I was like, let me go ahead and bring them something different. So, y'all, I went and got toilet paper wasted today. Yes, toilet paper wasted. Y'all, they said it's been going around. I forgot the YouTuber that had been saying that toilet paper is supposed to be going up in price. And I said, you know what? Any chance I get a coupon that has toilet paper connected to it, I got to stock up on me some toilet paper, y'all. Got to, because if the toilet paper is going up, you know, it might not go up like, you know, drastic that I'm thinking. It might just go up some cents, but still, those cents add up, sisters and brothers, honey. It adds up. So, let's go ahead and get to this video. All right, y'all. Went in there, got me some cottonelle. There is a $1 paper coupon and digital coupon. You know to go on coupontime.com and put in for cottonelle to find out where the cottonelle is, that manufactured coupon. So I got the purple one, the Cotton Ultra Comfort Care. Also, the blue one, Ultra Clean Care. And they are $5 each. And you know there's $1, like I said, $1 off digital, $1 off manufacturer. Also, Scott is $5. And also there is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching to the Scott. Okay? So, also I got the Cottonelle wipes. There is a 50 cents off manufacturer coupon, no digital. 50 cents off manufacturer coupon off of one Cottonelle flushable wipes. They are $2.50 each. But they said on the thing, if you get 2 of them, you'll just pay $4. But I didn't pay attention till I got out here in the car. And I'm like, I'm not going to go back in there and let them know, hey, no. Because the reason why I didn't go back in there, I didn't want to. But on another end is, if you buy $20 worth of Scott, Cottonelle, I think it's Viva, and Kleenex, you save $3. Yes, if you spend $20 worth of those products, you save additional $3. Okay, so I got all of that, and my $3 did come off, and I will show you all on my receipt. The next thing is, y'all, these Colgate cavity protections. Okay, everybody was saying that, you know, the dollar ones that we got earlier this week wasn't working no more, which is true. But the $1.75 off is attaching to the $5 off of 3. So you either can get this any of those Colgates, but you want to scan them, because I only scanned 2. So I went ahead and got the cavity protection. These are $1.75 each. And they are the 6.0 ounce. And the $5 off of 3 does come off on here, making them free. Hey, can't beat that, right? So then the next thing, these Clorox, let me pull it out. Right here, these Clorox is in the blue Oxy. And it's dishwashing liquid. They are $1 in the dollar aisle. And there is a $1 off of 2 digital coupon that is attaching. Remember to always scan, honey. You want to scan it, all right? To make sure that they are attaching always, okay? So let me put those back down here and pull these 2 out. The next thing are these big sensitive 2, okay? This is the 10 count. These are new. They are $7. But you know I'm not paying no $7 for no razors, and we can get razors either free or less than $1 or $1. Okay? They are $7. There is a $4.99 digital coupon, and it's a Dollar General coupon that is attaching. So y'all know, if there's a Dollar General coupon and there's a manufacturer coupon, you can stack those two together and make it either free. But with Dollar General, you're only going to pay a penny, okay? Because I had a $2 off big manufacturer coupon that did attach to this product. So like I always say, go on coupontime.com, put it in. It'll tell you where that coupon is, okay? Then the last thing is the big pens. We have a digital coupon that is attaching for the big pens. That is $1, and it's a Dollar General digital coupon. And if you have any manufacturer coupons, which we did, but my region didn't get them, but go on coupontime.com, put in big, it'll tell you where those coupons are. And there is, there's another digital coupon that is on there. If you spend $10 of big supplies, then you can get extra $2 off. So you put those in with some coupons, hey, you'll come out free and money makers. So if y'all got those, go ahead and hit the store for that, because you know these kids are back into school, and that can give you some free items to where you ain't got to come out of your pocket for a whole lot of school supplies. So these right here end up being a penny. Yes, a penny. All right, so let me show you all my receipt. But my subtotal, y'all, was $7.77. Yes, $7.77. So let me show you my receipt. All right, so you see the cottonelle? You see that store discount twice? That means that the $3 came off, and then the $5 off of 25 came off of those. So there's the other cottonelle, and there's the Scott. And then there's the cottonelle wipes. You see where they rung up $2.50, which they should have just rung up $2 each. But that's all right, because I didn't have to put nothing else in my transaction to make it a total of $20. Right? Right. Here is the Clorox. There's the Bic. There's the Colgate. All right. Then here's my subtotal. $7.77. Yes, $7.77. You know, everybody's taxes is different. Look how much I saved. $27.48. So I went from $33 and some change to $7.77. You cannot beat that, honey. And then there's no 5 off of 25 right now paper, but hopefully we do get digitals like we do. And then sometimes during the week, the 5 off of 25, sometimes paper shows up. But y'all, I spent $33 and some change for all of this. But, you know, I didn't pay that out of pocket. $7.77. Come on, y'all. Y'all need to get out here, get these deals. Because, honey, times are hard. Even though you might got a good job, but times are hard out here. It's nothing wrong with couponing. You just need a little bit of patience. Go in there and get your stuff. Listen to us couponers, how we do it. Do it the same way until you get the hang of it. And then you can branch out and do things on your own. And you will have a nice stockpile. You will be okay for the winter, for the summer, and years on. Because stockpiles, honey, it adds up and it lasts, okay? Until you have some that have expiration dates, okay? So you don't want to, you want to go through your stockpile if you got bad expiration dates and throw those out. Or before they expire anything, or if if overwhelmed, just go ahead and donate them. But y'all, this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.